All right, on to day 2 now of working on the Toyota Supra, getting it looking immaculate with Innovative Speed Shop. Kind of sad not seeing it in the garage this morning, but we got the GTR, and we're gonna take the fun roads down to the shop to work on more progress with the Supra. There's a lot more to do to it. I'm not exactly sure everything that'll happen today. I do have a special thing that arrived last night in the nick of time that we can work on. I'm gonna get that done, a few other little things. Hopefully the paint protection and the interior will be done today. Not exactly sure, but yeah, let's hit the road now in the GTR. Alright, so we have made it now back to Innovative. Time to reunite with the Supra, making a little bit more noise pulling into the business park than yesterday. All right, bright and early now. We got the low sun in the early morning. GTR looking and sounding pretty good. All right, so here is what came in the mail yesterday. I got these Supra decals. I'm gonna put them on the front calipers. So this was a kit on eBay for $5. We got 3 different sizes. I think the middle one is gonna be the ideal size. I think that's gonna look really good. The bigger ones could fit, but they're gonna be hanging over this edge right here. Oh yes, that looks amazing. So all the brake calipers and hubs have been done. They're ceramic coated and everything, so this is gonna stay just that clean pretty much forever. It is gonna look really good, super easy to clean now. On to the next thing, which is coating the leather on the interior, just to help the longevity of the overall interior and have it all in good condition. So here's the coating. This is all IGL coatings that we're using. So the ceramic coating that's gonna go on the paint, the stuff we just used on the wheels and calipers. So he's just gonna wipe that down, just clean every little contaminant that's on the seats off. All right, so here we go, applying the ceramic coating to the leather. It's a special type of ceramic coating that I guess is flexible, that can withstand the abuse of being sit on every day. All right, so he's doing the final work on the driver's seat, applying the coating to it. Basically applies just like ceramic coating. You wipe it on, let it dry for a little bit, and you wipe it off. And one thing we're finding, it's not changing the sheen or anything. It still looks like brand new, a satin finished leather. So looks pretty much the same. It'll be really cool to test this out in the real world to see how it holds up and everything. And we're assuming the way it works is it'll make this a little bit more durable, so getting in and out of the car, it's not gonna get as worn out. And then any type of items that spill on it, nothing like that is gonna stick to it. So if you have any types of drinks or food or whatever, it's gonna stay really nice. So we got the wheels back on the car. We're gonna put it down on the ground just so we can torque everything to spec. I love the Supra in the calipers. That looks so awesome. Definitely an awesome little touch to the car. But we're gonna get that set up. The interior is all done. So we're getting ready to apply the paint protection film. This is gonna be SunTek paint protection film. They are getting ready to cut everything out on the plotter and everything. So So the final preparation work has been completed on the Toyota Supra. We went ahead and got the wheels off as you saw, and the vents all popped out. We did one more cleaning on all the panels that are going to be getting the paint protection film on. I believe they'll be cleaning it one more time. But we got Adam from Diamond Detailing here. He is another one of these SunTek authorized dealers. So Neil and Adam working together to get this project done. This is a lot of work to do. Probably one of the first Toyota Supras to really get paint protection film done on it, especially as many panels that we're doing. So Diamond Detailing, I'll have all of Adam's information in the description below. Check him out as well. But yeah, this is SunTek product we're gonna be putting on the car. We got a lot of stuff lined up. A lot of this is pre-cut templates. It's really hard to tell. You can probably see some of the lines on the vinyl, but this has all been laser cut. And actually this is cool. They have a Supra on their flyer right here. I believe the hood is the only one we're doing that is not pre-cut. There is a template for it, but we think it's a little bit easier just given how large of a panel this is, just to do one giant piece and then hand cut it. But our plan is to do the hood, the front bumper, which has a really good template. I believe it's 3 pieces. And then we have this panel right here behind the wheel, this whole rocker panel down here, the giant fake vent right there. And then for the rear bumper, we're not doing the entire rear bumper. There is a template for that. So basically what Adam did was modify that template to actually cut it out to where we're just gonna be doing this portion right here. I think that's all that's necessary. I don't see, these being prone areas for damage. This, however, I'm pretty sure will get destroyed just because we have paint right behind the wheel. And then real quick, one thing I did not show you guys, actually, day 2 of ownership, I actually got a stone chip in the car with 83 miles on the clock. It's really hard to tell right now. It's this little tiny smudge in it. I've actually spent many hours touching this up with pearl paints just to make it look brand new again. So this is something totally should have done day 1 on the car. If you have a brand new car, get this done day 1. So as far as the protection goes, we are using all SunTek film. Like I said, they're actually hooking it up for today's video, so definitely check out SunTek. They have amazing products. So guys, this is the SunTek Ultra Defense that we're using on mainly the high impact zones. So you said which one is which?
So this is the rockers.
Okay, so this is the Ultra Defense.
Ultra Defense.
So this is a heavier weight vinyl, it's a thicker one.
It's 11.5 mils.
Okay.
Versus SunTek Ultra.
Oh wow.
Which is
that's huge
8
difference.
mils.
Yeah.
Very standard in the industry. The SunTek Ultra Defense is really the first one to really just go the extra mile and build a thicker, stronger film for those high impact areas. Really
So this is a sample of it, and it's like thick. Yeah. It doesn't feel like saran wrap. I wish you guys could obviously feel this, but that is really cool to see. That is, I guess, the hardest part done, which is laying this ginormous piece of PPF film onto the hood of the Supra. But we got about a foot overhang all around just because you need more. But yeah, so it looks pretty crazy right now. Obviously, it is not completely adhered or anything, but that is such a big piece. Alright, so for an update on the hood, we got about this much to go. It's definitely coming together. We only found like 3 pieces of debris in it, but Adam was easily able to get them out. Just obviously 10 years of experience, he knows what he's doing. On a white car, is it easier to deal with imperfections? No?
White and black, not too hardest.
Alright guys, well, I picked one of the hardest cars. But we're getting it out, and it's coming together really nicely. For a quick update on the progress, this is a ton of work. Seriously, the guys who do PPF, that is such a skill to be able to do this. So shout out to everybody involved today, SunTek, Adam, Neil, Innovative. This is such a big project. So we got quite a lot of it done. As you can see, basically the whole center's all down. Now it's really the trickiest portion, just getting these last remaining edges down. You just gotta, I don't know, play with it a lot to really work it and everything. All right, guys, so it is getting later in the day. A few hours later, hood is completed. That is so much work. It is really something way above my head. I'm glad the professionals are doing it. So just gonna go ahead and pop on the plastic trim vents. But as you can tell, it looks like there is nothing there on the paint at all. And then now we are just gonna finish up today by getting the lower pieces done. These are gonna be very quick and easy, much more flat. They're not as ginormous as the hood and all those contours and everything. So now we can get a good look at the actual piece. So this next piece, there's a line right there, and that is the next piece going on, which looks like it'll go right around the front wheel. Basically you spray it and peel off the piece, and that comes right off. With everything sprayed, you're just gonna line it up edge to edge, and remember these are all laser cut, so this is a perfect fitted piece. Alright, so kind of starting with the edge, lining it up, tacking it in place, and covering the whole panel, getting it nice and lined up. So we are about wrapping up for today's video. It has been a long day putting in tons of hours of work on the Supra. So we're just finishing up the rocker panels right now. So basically today we're going to be ending with the lower section and then the hood, of course. And then in the next video we'll be knocking out the front bumper and then the full ceramic coating on the entire car. And that is it. We'll get to see the whole car out in the sunlight, the full reveal of the even more brand new Toyota Supra. But that is it for the video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you did. Smash that subscribe button. Be sure to check out all the contact information down below to get these types of services done on your own cars. And then SunTek Films, of course, for providing the products for today's video. So anyways, that is it, guys. I'll see you next video.